Hello traders, this is Chris from AAAAFX taking a look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin initially took off during the session to the upside, but still is struggling above that 38,000 level. That pretty much puts us in the same boat that we've been in for a while, where we are trying to grind away some of this excess froth. I think this means that the 35,000 level is going to be even more important as time goes on. If we get an opportunity to buy down there, on a bounce, I would be bullish. 50-day EMA is racing towards that area. Not a lot going on over the last couple of days. Obviously, a big barrier right around 38,400. We need a daily close above 38,000 at the very least to consider adding or buying. That should, in theory, open up a move to $40,000. PCE price index comes out on Thursday. The Federal Reserve loves that indicator, so that could play havoc in the bond market. We start to see a spike in rates. That probably hurts Bitcoin. We'll see. I mean, it's not a one-to-one correlation, but it certainly has its influence. It has been very bullish as of late, but when you look at the weekly chart, you can see that there is a lot of noise right here, and one would assume that 40,000 will, of course, attract a certain amount of attention. With this, I think you've got to look at it through the prism of, whether or not we can get there. It's going to take some work, and you're going to have to be very patient. 4-hour chart looks very much like it's in a channel, so I still like the buy on the dip attitude. But there are times where Bitcoin goes nowhere, and this isn't quite that. We are going higher over the longer term, but it is moving in slow motion.